everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 20th to the 24th of July 2026 on Monday. Just as the Mabandlas begins to find hope again, Likamva's memory, tears-old wound wide open, Lazarus and Zolega find themselves on opposite side of a dangerous decision, and one family dinner ends with a battle no one saw coming on Tuesday. Tumega's quiet act of defiance threatened to tear her marriage apart. Lazarus stopped playing defense and began turning the corporate war to his advantage, and a secret honoring of Likamva's explodes in front of the entire family on Wednesday. As the Mabandlas prepares to honor Likamva, Hlati makes a heartbreaking decision that leaves the family shattered. Zolega finally embraces Lazarus' dangerous plan, turning love into a powerful alliance, and the youngest attempt to keep her brother's memory alive open a door that should perhaps have remained closed on Thursday. What begins as a day of celebration quickly becomes a family worst nightmare. Lazarus offers Portia the opportunity of a lifetime, but every opportunity comes at a price, and the younger unknowingly crosses a line that changes everything on Friday. The Mabandlas are forced to confront a goodbye they never thought they would get. As Mawetu closes in on the truth, Portia realizes she's running out of places to hide, and inside Zondo Tech, betrayal is closer than anyone imagined. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.